Hello, welcome back to my YouTube guys channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So in today's video we are going to try out really weird food combinations. So हम देखते हैं कि हम कितने सारी चीज़ों को कितने सारे तरीकों से खा सकते हैं. Yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to try is salted chips and Nutella. So we have our Lay's, which is blue in color, and then we have our Nutella. So let's see how it tastes. We have our chips, we have our Nutella, and I have taken a little bit of chocolate because I am not sure how this is going to taste. One more try. This doesn't taste bad, okay? Out of 10, I think I can give it a good 7. It's okay. So the next weird combination, according to my diary, is Oreo and pickle. I don't know who made this combination. This is the worst combination ever. But we are going to try it out, okay? And then we are going to see if we can have Oreos with pickle. Here is my Oreo and here I have some aam ka achar, which is known as pickle if you don't know. And I am going to eat it. We have our Oreo. We have our aam ka achar. Not happening. Out of my character, I hate it, okay? I hate it. कौन खा सकता है भाई Oreos with pickle? This is the worst combination ever. Out of 10, I think I will give it a 2. This is the worst combination ever. I'm out of my character right now, and the next item that we are going to try is, I don't know why are we even trying this. It's vanilla ice cream with soy sauce. I mean, come on. Who eats vanilla ice cream with soy sauce? Nevertheless, we are obviously going to try our vanilla ice cream with soy sauce. So we have a little bit of vanilla ice cream because I don't want to waste it. And then we have our soy sauce. This is how it looks like. The soy sauce looks like chocolate syrup, but it is not. One more try. Whoever likes this combination is not in their right mind. I think I will give it a 6 out of 10. Because it doesn't feel that bad, it doesn't taste that bad. The aftertaste is good. It's a weird combination, but it is nice. You can try it at home. Try it once. Everybody will not like it, but it's okay. Yeah. So it's the next day, so that is why the change of venue and the change of outfit. But it doesn't matter because what we are going to try today is French fries and honey. I mean, why? But it's okay, let's try this. So we have our French fries, which is homemade, and we got some honey. So yeah, let's see how this is going to taste. I've taken a little bit of honey and I don't know how to do this. Okay. This tastes good, but you don't want to take a lot of honey. just like a dip. It tastes good. I like it. I'm definitely giving this a 9 out of 10. You can try this and most of you will like it. It's nice. Okay, I can eat this. I can try it again as well. So yeah, it's a good combination. Okay, so that was a good combination. But what we are going to try now is Oreo with orange juice. I don't know why, but let's see. Okay, my Oreo का packet here, जो कि खुला हुआ है, and I have a glass full of orange juice, and let's see how it tastes. So I've taken an Oreo. I'm surprised. This one tastes good. Okay, it tastes really good. I'm not even kidding you guys. You should try this if you like orange flavor. It's amazing. I like it, definitely. It's amazing, okay? I'm not even kidding. This one gets 10 out of 10 because it tastes nice. I like it. And I think a lot of people will like this combination. I cannot explain the taste, but you have to try it for yourself. Go and try it out because it's amazing. It gets 10 on 10 because I can see myself actually having this. It might be weird, but yeah, I really like it. So why not? And with that, I conclude today's video. If you guys like it, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye!